Niacinamide has become a powerhouse ingredient for tackling a range of skin concerns, like uneven tone, redness, enlarged pores, and dullness. But with so many serums on the market, finding the right niacinamide product can feel overwhelming. In this video, we're breaking down the best niacinamide serums 1 to 5 that deliver real results, balancing effectiveness with gentle care. Whether you're a skincare newbie or an expert looking to upgrade, these serums offer targeted solutions for brighter, healthier skin. Let's explore the standout options that earn top dermatologist and user reviews. Off our list at number 1, Olay Niacinamide. The Olay Niacinamide Serum is a budget-friendly, dermatologist-tested product designed to improve skin texture, brighten complexion, and reduce fine lines. Combining niacinamide with other skin-loving ingredients, this serum targets dullness, uneven tone, and signs of aging, making it a versatile option for various skin types, including sensitive skin. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly and plays well under makeup or moisturizer, making it a practical daily addition to any routine. Key features: Olay's serum contains 5% niacinamide, which helps reduce redness, minimize pores, and strengthen the skin barrier. It also features peptides and antioxidants that support collagen production and skin repair. The fragrance-free and non-comedogenic formula minimizes irritation risk. Benefits and usage: with regular use, this serum visibly improves skin brightness, smoothness, and firmness while reducing dark spots and fine lines. It's effective for calming inflamed or sensitive skin, improving overall texture. Apply a small amount to clean skin morning and night, followed by moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Usability: the serum has a lightweight, slightly gel-like texture that absorbs quickly without stickiness or residue. Its pump bottle allows hygienic, mess-free dispensing, suitable for layering under other products and makeup. Durability: packaged in an opaque pump bottle that protects ingredients from oxidation. A 30 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks, with consistent use, offering great value for quality skincare spot. We have Medik8 Niacinamide Niacinamide Serum is a potent, targeted formula designed to reduce blemishes, minimize pore size, and strengthen the skin's natural barrier. This serum combines 10% niacinamide with antioxidants and hydrating agents to deliver balanced anti-inflammatory and moisturizing benefits. Its effective yet gentle formula is suitable for acne-prone and sensitive skin types seeking clearer, calmer, and more even skin. Key features: featuring 10% niacinamide concentration, the serum excels at controlling excess sebum, reducing redness, and improving skin texture. It also contains zinc PCA to combat breakouts and hyaluronic acid for hydration. Free from parabens, sulfates, and fragrance, it prioritizes skin safety. Benefits and usage: users report visible improvements in blemishes, reduced pore appearance, and a calmer complexion. The serum supports barrier repair and balances oil production, making it ideal for oily and combination skin. Apply a few drops to cleanse skin twice daily, then follow with moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Usability: the lightweight water-based formula absorbs rapidly without greasiness or stickiness. The dropper applicator allows precise control over dosage and keeps the formula hygienic, suitable for layering with other treatments. Durability: Medik8 packages its serum in dark glass bottles to preserve potency. A 30 milliliters bottle generally lasts 6 to 8 weeks with regular use, providing excellent value for a high-strength niacinamide product. 3 is the Inkey List Niacinamide Inkey List. Niacinamide serum offers a simple, effective, 10% niacinamide formulation designed to clarify skin, reduce redness, and minimize pore size. It targets uneven texture and excess oil while supporting skin barrier health. Its affordable price and straightforward ingredients list make it a favorite among skincare enthusiasts who want no frills, results-driven products. Key features: with 10% pure niacinamide as the star ingredient, this serum helps control oil production, fade discoloration, and calm irritated skin. The formula is lightweight, fragrance-free, and free from parabens, making it suitable for sensitive skin and acne-prone types. Benefits and usage: consistent use promotes clearer skin, fewer breakouts, and a smoother texture. It also helps reduce excess sebum and redness for a more balanced complexion. Apply 2 to 3 drops to cleanse skin once or twice daily, layering under moisturizer or sunscreen as needed. Usability: the serum's watery texture absorbs quickly without residue or heaviness. The dropper bottle offers easy, mess-free application. Its lightweight formula is perfect for layering and works well in multi-step routines. Durability: the Inkey list uses a dark glass dropper bottle to protect the serum's efficacy. A 30 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with daily use, making it a cost-effective niacinamide choice. Finally, at number 5, we have Glow Recipe Niacinamide. Glow Recipe Niacinamide Serum is a brightening and pore refining serum that combines 5% niacinamide with botanical extracts, like watermelon and papaya, to hydrate and soothe skin while enhancing radiance. This serum is ideal for those seeking to improve uneven skin tone, minimize pores, and boost natural glow with a gentle yet effective formula suitable for sensitive and all skin types. Key features: featuring 5% niacinamide for reducing redness and controlling oil. The serum also contains antioxidants and fruit enzymes that promote exfoliation and hydration. The lightweight, cruelty-free, and clean formula is free from parabens and sulfates. Benefits and usage: regular application brightens dull skin, smooths texture, and refines pores while calming irritation. The blend of niacinamide and fruit extracts improves clarity and moisture levels. Apply a few drops to cleanse skin morning and evening, then follow with moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Usability: the serum has a gel-like texture that absorbs quickly and feels refreshing without stickiness. The pump dispenser allows hygienic and controlled application, suitable for layering in all skincare routines. Durability: Glow Recipe uses airless pump packaging to maintain ingredient stability. A 30 milliliters bottle typically lasts 6 to 8 weeks with daily use, offering a premium niacinamide experience. Niacinamide is a versatile and powerful ingredient that can transform your skin's clarity, texture, and tone. From Olay's accessible formula to Medik8's high-strength serum, these best niacinamide serums 1 to 5 provide solutions for every skin type and concern. Remember to introduce niacinamide gradually, pair it with sunscreen, and be consistent too. See the best results. Which niacinamide serum will you try next? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.